my guys and gals, and welcome back to Transformers Devastation. Now I know what you're thinking. Wallet! Oh. Free loot. Thank you. But Alex, we weren't here last time. What have you been doing? I thought this was a team effort and shizzle like that. Yeah, well, I did a recording. Just kill the thing. I'm sorry, Wheeljack, but can you attack any slower? We did like the thingy-majig, you know, that sort of stuff. But because PlayStation loves me, no, because YouTube this time, not PlayStation, not like Titanfall, because it loves me beyond your even Jesus Christ opinions. Sorry, Christians, get offended, get triggered. Don't get triggered, get even. Because it, you know, just generally loves me. It generally loves me. It apparently was a duplicate of episode 2. That wasn't nice. Whoop, whoop, whoop. What the f? Let's go, boy. Take off your pants and your pants. Matrix. Ah! Oh! Alright. I gotta wait for him to do something thrifty. We're gonna do, boy. My timing's off. My timing's off. What? Boy? Oh, I'm so close. Alright, actually. Do the Harlem shit. Ow! How am I almost this dead? This is unacceptable level of dead. Oh, he's okay. Before I die, has no repair kits. Damn it! I suck. Stop doing the Harlem shit. You're gonna have to make me do the Harlem shit. Hit and run tactics. Hit and run tactics. Hit and run tactics. You are the weaker. Oh, we took that to the face, boy. You're a champion, though. Yo. Okay, we got this stuff. Why did I? Sorry, we're shielding now. Troll. Do the Homer shape. I thought this thing would survive. I mean, scammed. Move! That's I'm pressing the button this way. Yeah. Okay, let's bring. Oh yeah, we're gonna use this thing. This thing is this is the legendary tactic. Drive-by. Drive-by! Oh, he took that to the face! Your face is just gone, mate. But anyway, so this is technically... But yeah, YouTube loves me. Like, we get along all the time. That's a lie. YouTube hates me, basically. It's oozing. I'm sorry, but I'm a legendary. Oh, God. Smooth! This place looks evil.
Scanning. Identify. Cybertronian Wheeljack. Darkness comes for us all. Your time may be short, but your legacy will endure. That which you have made will, in time, save planets.
My time may be short. Good thing I don't believe in hocus-pocus prophecies. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't.
Sure. What up?
Has its use.
Found it. But anyway, so this is technically episode 3, but it's also technically it's actually episode 3, but it's technically episode 4. Oh god, no. Oh god. These are unstable, yo. Huh? It's unstable like my relationship with my family. What, Alex? I worry. Oh god, these don't like me. I'm fully behind schedule, yo. Me on every RE homework. There, that'll tuck and roll. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's a boss fight. You can always tell it's a bot. Oh my god, there's so much loot just
Guys, we might have a problem. With the unpredictability of plasma energy, there's a chance that if we blow it up, it'll take half of Earth with it.
Hey, let's roll that.
Define chance.
My figures aren't precise, but at current calculations, roughly 92.787% chance it will detonate.
I like the
Bottom
look.
line, use extreme caution around the plasma core.
That'd probably be a wise choice in this situation. Let's do it. Whoa. Sounds. All the Insecticons we fought so far. Oh, by the way, I should probably recap. Don't care, we're recapping. Recap. So we entered the Proud Star. This ship. We kicked some Decepticon ass. A lot of beatings were. We met 2 giant Insecticons, can't remember their names. Oh, that's one of them. Oh, we haven't already. Oh, this guy's a spaz, got it. I love how he just doesn't give nothing. He's got a machine gun. Kick back. Oh, he will make friends with you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ow! Oh, God, you got fast kicked. Whoa, 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 I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm not up to scratch it. Ow! Okay, too close. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's a double swing, got it. Oh my god, and then he calls in his bros because he's a little cheese ball. I can't fight all of you! I'm on 1 health! I'm gonna have to play guerrilla tactics. Clear. Oh, they're all really weak now. Dead. I got. Oh! Okay. Thank the Lord. Progress.
Reinforcements! I'll take them down too.
Ah.
Better luck next time.
That was. Why do you do that? What I dodged! I'm sorry, game, that one's on you.
Just as I calculated.
Leave me out! Oh my god, why did I press that? Bail! There. Safe as itch. Okay. One down. Oh my god, we did it! That was extreme.
Now to capture the plasma core and fast. Going to break the crystal shielding and see if I can't dislodge it.
Admittedly, you've gotten better than expected, Autobot. The Insecticons will feast on your electrons.
Putting out serious power.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Hadouken!
It's working. I'm almost through the shielding. That was a fail.
Come on!
Becoming unstable. It
We
will
did it!
explode. If this continues, the whole room is likely likely to explode.
Did it?
This plasma core is Decepticon property. I will not let you put one rusty finger on it, Optimus.
The ship is powered down for now. But if we allow Megatron to retrieve the plasma core before we find it, our victory here will not matter. We must move quickly.
Got it. So yeah, basically we ran into these bug things were trying to kill us because we like entered their home. What about there? Got some hammers, cutters, hammers. Yes! Oh yes! Oh, he is my single most favorite character. I love him. I loved Grimlock. Favorite character in the entire game. I love Grimlock. Little Grim. No one beats Little Grim. He'll beat you. That's no exaggeration. He will beat you too. I love how I just got 2 hammers. Alright, that's a slow attack, so we need something with pace, so we'll use the twin heat swords. You know what, we're gonna synthesize your shizzle. Mind if I use this? You're using... Yeah, this. Yeah. Basically, I remember I synthesized Grimlock. I literally Megatron. Yeah, these guys will boost. Oh, he also uses a rocket launcher, which I'm gonna switch that out for something a bit more useful. A spread shot. Where's the nearest spread shot? Basics, cryo, iron. You're some hot stuff. Get it? And you can have a basic blaster. I'm not biased. Where is the bun? Where is the spread shot I just gave you? No. There it is. Wow. This thing's gonna get a lot of synthesizing if we want it to be. You're actually joking me. Rear Jack, you're losing that spread shot. Sorry, Rear Jack, sorry, Rear Jack, I'm no longer using you, so can I... you are being denied your spread shot.
Let's go.
Quip. Enjoy Grimlock. You know, we'll just put, you know, I'm gonna let you keep your little grenade launcher. I'm gonna let you keep your little grenade, the galaxy launcher. You like it. Basically, Grimlock, my G. I love Grimlock. Look at him, he's so intimidating. He's gonna gnaw your face off. Nom nom nom. Don't do what it did last time, where it restarted the entire game. Thank you!
What's the plan, Optimus?
I'm just sending
For the
Grimlock.
time being, the cyberforming has slowed. But Megatron will undoubtedly go after the plasma core to start it again.
And it sprung a leak before it ejected. Even if Megatron never gets it, we still have to shut it down.
We should scan for Deceptor creep activity. That plasma core eject button wasn't targeted. Megatron's gonna need someone to go pick it up.
Split up and find a Decepticon.
If you don't know, I mean, look at that transformation, doesn't it just scream, I'm here to ruin your day? Oh, by the way, he breathes fire. Just so you weren't there. You know the Age of Extinction movie? Yeah, that one. You know the giant killer dinosaur that Optimus rides? That might G. The amazing thing is you can just use him as Dino mode.
The claws still got juice left, even with the core removed.
Looks like most of the cyberforming is stopped. Not all of it. It's continuing on reserves. And the Barotaxis is still fully operational.
I'm more of a fan of this Grimlock though. This is a Grimlock that will own your face. This is where we fought that dude. The Constructicons, remember? Look at that, memories. See? It's open, it's like a cross between open world. Prowstar. Oh my god, there are so many Prowstar logs.
Thundercracker, you dumb and weak. Me crush you.
He's also, one of the lower intelligent Autobots. But he gives a good roasting. See what I did there? It's like he breathes fire. Get it? Get it? Yoink! Yeet! Worse than a car crash. Imagine that you car crashes. Instead of making like crash, you know, sort of stuff like that. It just goes yeet! I'm sorry, but I double jumped. I'm sorry. No, we can't be having that. Oh, got him. Oh, do it! What's your dino attack? Look, he just beats you. Oh, he goes the circle and untransformed. That's so sophisticated. Look at little Grim sleeping so soundly. Wake up, Grim, he stole your energon. How do I do that? Like, lob it. But I need pace. Huh. Again, double jump game. Oh, so unlucky. So wait, Grimlock, why did you lose Thundercracker? Grimlock slow. It's just everyone's like, Jesus Christ. That's when they were given. Trust me, Grimlock may not be smarticles, but he can rival Optimus in level. See what I mean by this hammer's OP? I love how he just follows him. Run, Grimmy. Woo! Woo! The way he jumps is just woo! I overshot. Grimlock, shake it off. You're a tank, Grimlock. Shake it off. Shake it off. No, we're back here again. Oh, by the way, Thundercracker is one of Starscream Seekers. Just told you, love the Gen 1. The dun dun dun. Green, run, green, strong. But yeah, Grimlock can literally, I couldn't even exaggerate it. You on fire! He's very short range, but trust me, Grimlock can throw down.
Today is a good day to join our cause, Thundercracker.
He's not gonna
My
join.
loyalty only goes so far. Tampering with plasma energy? That's madness.
Wow, that took like no convincing at all. No wonder they call you Thunder Cracker.
Hey!
Funny, Pipsqueak. No one should have that thing. You want to get it, that's fine. So long as you promise to get rid of it.
I think we can handle that.
It's on the island. Megatron sent Blitzwing after it.
Ooh,
You're
Blitzwing.
closer, so you might be able to beat him there.
I know the island. Only way onto it is across Liberty Bridge.
Sounds like fun.
Like hundreds upon hundreds. See, look at that transformation. What's his running transformation? Oh, he just rolls into it. See, now you see what, but Grim, he's not smart. But he's savage. He's not fast either, not gonna lie. Do the roll. Stop, drop, and roll. Woo! Trust me, Grimlock is a real savage. So wait, we in Liberty Bridge. I swear this place is gonna be just daunting. Grimlock, you're doing good. What? You got loot, Grimlock. I'm proud of you. Yoink! Oh, going my way. Do you think I'm gonna switch back from my boy Grimlock? It's like my boy Reaps. He will own your face. Look, someone tried to. Oh! Brawl. This is Brawl. Oh, he's just a heavy ground swordsman. I'm sad now. Watch me own him. Oh! Grimlock, you savage! You just killed his children. I'm sorry, Grimlock. We can't be having that. You killed his children, Grimlock. Do the Harlems. Grimlock, you savage! Sorry. Oh, even says Dino Dodge. It's so adorable, Grimlock. Oh, I'm not a warning. I'm so ready. What? Gonna hit me, fool? Launch me on his face. Okay, untransform Grimlock. Show them you real owning. Don't die on me, Grimlock! No, Grimlock! Grimlock! See, that's why I give him the sword, so he can have some fast slashes, otherwise he's weak. Grimlock goes on, he'll only have to hit once. Okay. Just dodging this guy's attack. Good again. Come at me, bro. 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 Sorry. One second. Oh, I dodged too early. Hi. Bang! What's that? Oh, it just charges you. Wait. Oh, it's a double strike. You gotta learn that, guys. You're the slowest Autobot. Shut up, Grimlock. Combo breaker. I almost hit my back on the coffee table. That would have been interesting. You're a mistake, Grimlock. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm sorry. There you go. Gotta keep topped up, you know. See, he's the slowest. He's really slow, but
They're setting up defenses around the island. Why not just move the plasma core?
Probably trying to patch that leak before they move it. That's what I do.
I think I might have a plan. We passed Red Energon back a ways. That stuff goes boom. Teletran 1, scan for red energon.
Scanning. There are 2 caches nearby. Warning. Decepticon activity detected. Maintaining visual surveillance.
What's the plan? This is weird. I don't like this mode. Sorry, I like this is weird. I'm so confused. They just came out of the ground. I just hit them. Grimlock is your worst nightmare, I'm sorry. Bit weak. Okay. So doing the Harlem Shake Grimlock can actually do something. Oh my god, he's outrageous. Just sorry, but can I have a change of angle? This is horrifying. This is the hardest angle to control you by Grimlock. Oh, sorry, but you actually got to make it on there. Oh, you got double jump, don't you? Oh.
Got it. Back to bridge.
Further analysis suggests that this energon has regenerative properties. After exploding, it will regenerate from multiple uses.
I'm just gonna lob it at the first thing that comes my way. Hadouken! Yes! Hadouken! Thing works. Hadouken! That didn't work that well. It's just this 3. I'm sorry, but I won't do that thing that they showed me. I'm gonna dodge perfectly. You see, it's just like disentangled. So basically, lob it at everyone, Alex. What are you gonna do? Lob. Wait, does green stuff heal? Yeah, green stuff heals. Do 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 do. Oh. All right, you gotta tap. Aqui. Oh god, the Ognage Grimlock, you savage. Let's go back. See, look at that strength. Why under? All right, so we go tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Hold him. Sorry, I was possessed by a demon then. Again, what do we do? Do. Let's make that health. Don't. And then it's just. Oh, he just drops it. Oh, Grimlock. Oh, we gotta try that. Oh, this is the slowest. What the? Back to business. don't interrupt the Grimlock job, you know. Game, do you love me? No? Stay back, man. I got flamethrower. I'll set the walls on fire. I dodged too early. Okay. There we go. Grimlock, stop doing the Harlem shake. You're so lucky I paused it there. I want to see what this does. Oh god. Oh my god, Grimlock! What did you do? Where's my... That's purple, but okay. I wouldn't do it, Starscream. Oh. You're my least favorite Decepticon. This is gonna be
Long waited for the day I could fight you all myself. Prove my worth to Megatron.
You're like a fangirl, but like who doesn't the worst bad fangirls.
Grimlock will smash you like can of nano jelly.
You getting... Starscream, give up.
Grimlock beat you up.
You overconfident fool.
I swear I ended up fighting you through another dimension, something like that. It got weird, not gonna lie. That's a big missile. I just want to try this. What power? Hello! Damn it, he dodged. Damn it. Do I want to test this out? Can I charge him?
Ridiculous.
Gotta use a combination of all your tools. Grimlock, you're actually playing this pretty fast.
Grimlock still beating you up.
I'll blast you back to the Bronze Age.
Alright. Sorry, but this is a savage. Where is it? I've lost it. Oh, almost had him. Oh, almost got him. Okay, right. Okay, almost got him. I would have just ram him. I'm just gonna drive by. Boop.
Grimlock too bad.
So I want to do the thing where you lift him up. This wall of fire. The wall of fire approaches. Okay. Alright, let's untransform Grim. Drives around. Boop!
Another day, Otto.
Food? Crunch, crunch. Yuck. His scrap is rusty.
Grimlock, you are a savage. You ate him. Clearly, we've underestimated your savagery. You ate him. Blitzwing. Tank. Oh. Dodge it. Grimlock, you will never catch me.
Grimlock hate tanks that fly.
We'll do.
Dino God.
Bye, Blisswing. No. Grimlock can jump that easy. Hike! See? Point proven, right? Hike! Rolls off the edge. Why is he behind you? Don't let him get behind you, Grimlock. Stop setting the world on. What was that noise, Alex? So it's hard to roll through it. Roll. You're getting what the hell? Grimlock, stay in this! Huh. Oh, that's a shot and a half. That is an amazing quality shot. Bye! Now guys, I'm gonna leave you on a cliffhanger because I'm a butt. If you liked it, spank the subscribe button, spank the like button. I did that backwards. Share with your friends and family, relatives and people who died in skydiving accidents, dogs, friends, cousins, brothers, sisters, mothers, brothers of the sister's brother, mother's cousin, third, once, 7,000 times removed relative. And I'll see you in the next one, lads.